Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can use money.com for designers, or how you can use money.com for yourself if you are a designer. So there is a template in money.com that you can use that is very helpful. Under main workspace, click this blue button, click choose from templates, and here search for design, and you get this template called digital asset management. Click on it and press use template. Alright guys, so once the template is set up, as you can see, it has created a new board in our workspace called Digital Asset Management. Here you can manage all of your assets. As you can see, it has created a bunch of items for us, like it has created a logo for us, a logo item, a video item, a product launch item, but we don't necessarily have to use the item. We can customize them. For example, if you are a video editor, let's say, you can edit all of your videos. You can add all of your portfolio here, like your videos in rank. You want to rank them in any order. You can add their sub items, you can add designer, you can add their status, like if you're working with them, if you're stuck on them, you can add their status, you can add their final version, and you can add the link so that people can go to that link to access the art piece or whatever. Or you can add their details, you can add their usage, and you can add as many items as you like. If you want to add a new item, press this add widget button and it will create a new item. Like, you can add all of your projects here. If you are a digital content creator, if you are a digital designer, if you create logos, create videos, or whatever, NFT maybe, you can use this template to manage all of your workflow. So this is how money.com can be used for designers. I hope this tutorial is helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.